ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। The process of chanting of Hare Krishna is something like churning of the milk ocean, Samudra Manthan. In my childhood also, I was always doing Dahi Manthan every day till 25 years of my age. And when we do that Dahi Manthan only on the superficial level, proper butter doesn't come out. It has to be done in a deep way. The Manthan Ravi has to go deep, and then we have to do Manthan, and then proper churning takes place of the yogurt, and then proper amount of butter comes out. So this is one point. So japa is like Samudra Manthan. If it is done properly in a deep way, that means in an attentive way, then first thing what comes out is poison. And what is the poison? That you will come to know that all of us will come to know that we are very lusty, we are very greedy, we are fallen, we are not good devotees, we have so many anarthas. This is the poison, because this is all there. And when the churning is done superficially, you will feel you are so great, you are so wonderful, you are having so many good qualities, you chant Hare Krishna, you are a devotee of the Lord. These are the symptoms of improper chanting. Symptoms of proper chanting is that you will come to know that I am fallen, I am degraded, I have no good qualities, I need association of devotees. I beg devotees to bless me. Why? Because real process of chanting tells you the truth or shows you the mirror. These are the words of His Holiness Radhanath Swami. There you are shown the mirror. One is there, your mirror is cleaned. And second is, once mirror is cleaned, what do you see? You see yourself in the mirror. It means the truth you see about yourself. So, please chant nicely every day with deep attention, so that you will come to know that your mirror is getting cleaned, and now you are able to see yourself as you are. And that will sometimes disgust you to see how we are. But that should not depress us. That should motivate us to chant every day nicely and attentively, so that one day the nectar of Krishna Prem, the nectar of happiness and bliss, Krishna conscious happiness, will be revealed. So please do this churning nicely. Just do not do mechanical chanting. We need to finally tolerate the poison, tolerate our fallen condition, and still remain enthused, enlivened to chant Hare Krishna. And then when we continue like this with great hope and faith, one day the nectar of love and affection for the Lord will be revealed. And that also is there within the heart. Like the butter is already there in the yogurt, but the process of churning creates lots of turbulence. and lots of unsteadiness. But through that process of turbulence and unsteadiness, finally the butter comes out. And the yogurt is separated by butter and buttermilk. It turns into butter and buttermilk. So we also want to churn our heart. All the bad things should get out. And then the nectar in the form of love, the butter in the form of love for the Lord will spring out from the same heart, because it is right inside the heart, but it is hidden in invisible form. The process of chanting done properly is the right process to churn out all the bad things first and then the nectar in the end. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So my humble prayers for all of you to be able to every day get up and chant with determination, chant with attention, and churn out these bad things first, and then realize the nectar within. Thank you very much.